Welcome to Bike Studio, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we dive into the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350, a machine that blends heritage with modern technology. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Classic 350 stays true to its vintage appeal with a teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and elegant color schemes. However, subtle refinements like a sleeker headlamp, new alloy wheel options, and improved ergonomics make it even more appealing. The classic styling remains intact but now feels more premium and refined. Engine and performance. Powering the Classic 350 is the familiar 349 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine. It produces around 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, offering a smooth and refined ride. The fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response, while the 5-speed gearbox delivers effortless cruising on highways and city streets alike. Technology and features. Royal Enfield has added subtle yet significant upgrades. The semi-digital instrument cluster now includes Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation. The USB charging port is a welcome addition, making long rides more convenient. LED lighting enhances visibility while maintaining the bike's classic look. Ride quality and comfort. The dual cradle frame ensures stability, while the 41mm front forks and twin rear shock absorbers offer a plush ride. The wider seat provides enhanced comfort for both the rider and pillion. With disc brakes on both wheels and dual-channel ABS, braking performance has improved significantly. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a new enthusiast, this motorcycle continues to be a compelling choice. Stay tuned to Bike Studio for more updates and let us know your thoughts on this iconic machine.